Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Mari here at The Good Life with M. My husband and I are headed to the east side of Washington to Sagecliffe Resort and Spa to celebrate our 23rd wedding anniversary. This place is located in the cliffs overlooking the Columbia River Gorge in central Washington. It's a little over 2 hours east of Seattle in Washington State wine country. Every year we try to go to some place different, and this year we decided to stay local, and my husband found this place. It's deemed one of the Northwest's finest resorts. It began as a boutique inn, and it's designed by Olsen Kundig. They're award-winning architects here in Seattle. Upon arrival, it was kind of a maze to get through just because there were so many twists and turns, but we finally found ourselves in the heart of the area. And you'll see around here that we're surrounded by wine vineyards and rolling desert-like hills. This resort offers fine dining, hiking, pickleball, mountain biking, unique lodging, and spa treatments. There's also a gym, a local golf course, and 10 miles away is the town of Quincy. For this video, we are going to give you a tour of our Cliffehouse. This is one of many types of accommodations that are available at the resort. This Cliffehouse, there are several along the cliffs here. These are kind of like mini homes. They're private suites at Sagecliffe. There's a living space. There is a guest fireplace, a large bathroom with Italian slab vanity and a soaking tub. So you'll see here in a bit just kind of what is available to us as guests. After settling in, we were famished, so we decided to take a walk, take in the fresh air, and eat at their local restaurant, Tendrils. The walk to the restaurant wasn't bad. It was about 3 to 5 minutes walk, and to the left of us, you'll see this amazing view of the rolling hills and the Columbia River. It was a little bit eerie because I feel like we were there for off season. Not many people were there. As you can see, the vineyards are a little bare, actually a lot bare, but here is a better view of the property. What was interesting about noticing all these buildings was that they were kind of built into the property, and so they were a bit obscured as far as like the materials that were used, blended in with the landscapes, and I thought it took on a very organic look, and that's probably what it was meant to do. Upon walking into this building, you can see that we've arrived at this grand foyer, and this is where you check in, I believe. I didn't check in, but my husband did. So this is the check-in area, as well as the huge fireplace. This building also houses the bar and their restaurant. I believe that both places do utilize the same kitchen, because you can order off the same menu. We weren't able to go to the bar just because there wasn't anybody there. We didn't want to be the only people, and I think we just felt bad because we didn't want to have the staff wait on us when it was a pretty chill night. But you can see that their Christmas decorations were still up. When we had gone, it was late January, and I don't think that the Christmas decor is up if you visited or if you're there, but you can see it's kind of a nice and homey feel, and then you can see the grand ceiling and this wonderful chandelier. It's kind of twirly, and it kind of goes with the name of the restaurant, Tendrils. Just outside the Tendrils restaurant is this area here for guests. There's complimentary water and coffee, and of course my husband's favorite, cookies. So he wanted to stop by here to grab some cookies for the night. And in these two fridges are some sparkling waters and extra drinks, like alcoholic drinks such as beer and champagne. I think there was juice in there, I'm not sure. And in this little bookcase here is some spa goodies that you can, of course, grab at the spa, but it's kind of nice that they have little packages here for guests to pick up on the way out. Right outside the building is the, I guess, communal area for guests to play games, to hang out. You'll see in the distance here a pool table, and also there is a fire pit just down the stairs there that you'll see in a little bit. And then through the fence there is the area where you can play cornhole. So it's kind of just a nice little family area here. It seems like we're the only people here at the property. It was a bit eerie, but it was kind of nice because we were able to hear the crickets or whatever was in the distance. It's kind of a nice sound. As long as I don't see it, it's fine. I just, hearing the sounds, it makes it a little bit more peaceful. All right, folks, you've reached the end of my video. Stay tuned for next time. I'll be taking you around the rest of Sagecliffe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.